right, everybody. Let's now see what the half guard means. Stay here, Mr. Garrison. Don't move, all right? You don't kick each other when you do that. You roll a little bit, bring your leg up, and trap. Full guard. Now you go back again. No, don't touch me. Just stay there. Full guard, right? Now, I'm going to have him getting one leg only out. And keep your leg out. Half guard. One more time. Now you're going to get the other leg out. And keep one. Half guard. One more time. Pin one leg out. Get your leg over and keep your other leg. Half guard. There you go. Now I'm going to show what to do from there. Okay, so here, what you're going to do, I'm going to show you, and then you do it, and then it's your film, okay? Half guard, okay? Shoulder down, shoulder up.